Hi everyone. Welcome to today's video. If you've ever wanted to start a business, but don't have any money, this video is just for you. Today we'll talk about how to start a laundromat business, yes, a laundry business, with zero money. I know it sounds impossible, but trust me, there are real ways you can do it, step by step, even if you don't have your own machines. So make sure to watch till the end, because I'll break it down in the easiest way possible. Choose the right place. The first step is finding the right location. You don't need to buy a building or rent a big shop. Just look around your area and see where people might need laundry services. Good places include near hostels or apartments, close to offices or markets, in busy neighborhoods with working people. You can even talk to someone who already owns a small space and ask to partner with them. This saves you money on rent. Do some research. Next, do some market research. Don't worry, this just means looking around and asking a few questions like, who else is offering laundry services nearby? How much do they charge? Are people happy with their services? What can you do better or cheaper? This will help you understand what customers want and how you can offer something useful and different. Create a simple plan. Now it's time to plan your business. No need for big fancy documents. Just write down some basic points. What services will you offer? Washing only? Washing and ironing? Will customers come to you? Or will you offer pickup and delivery? Will you use your own machines or someone else's? Will you work alone or with a helper? A small plan gives you a clear idea of what to do next and how to manage things day by day. Start without your own money. Here's the most important part: how to start without any money. You can try these ideas. Heavy checkmark: ask a friend or family member to lend you their old washing machine. Heavy checkmark: buy a second-hand machine from OLX or Facebook Marketplace. Heavy checkmark: offer to work with someone who already owns machines. You run the business and share profits. Heavy checkmark: rent machines from someone. Heavy checkmark: try to get a small loan or grant from government business programs. You don't need many machines to start. Even one or two is enough to begin your journey. Make it legal. If you want to grow this into a real business, make it official. Register your business with your local government or online business portal. Open a bank account in your business name. Keep a record of your money, how much you earn, how much you spend. This makes your business professional and ready for growth. Pick a business name. Now think of a nice and simple name for your laundry business. Something that's easy to remember. Here are some ideas: Fresh and Clean Laundry, Quick Wash Zone, Smart Laundry Point, Clean Fold Services. Once you pick a name, make a free logo using websites like Canva. Print it on flyers or banners, and put it outside your shop or online page. Offer useful services. What will make people choose your laundry? It's not just clean clothes, it's your service. You can offer pick and drop service for clothes, same-day delivery, special wash for blankets and bedsheets, budget-friendly packages for students or office workers. Always smile, be polite, and deliver clothes on time. Good service equals repeat customers. Market your business. You don't need to spend big money on ads. Use free marketing tricks like make a Facebook or Instagram page, share customer reviews, give referral discounts, like bring a friend and get 10% off. Hand out small flyers near hostels, PGs, or offices. Tell your friends and family to spread the word too. Grow slowly. Once you start getting customers and some profit, don't rush. Grow slowly and smartly. Buy one more machine when you save enough. Hire a helper if your work increases. Offer new services like ironing, dry cleaning, etc. Keep upgrading your setup little by little. Success takes time, so stay patient and consistent. Once you've got your laundromat up and running, and you're starting to see some small profits, the next big goal is this: build a strong customer base. This means turning new customers into regular, loyal customers who trust your work and come back again and again. How do you do that? Give them a reason to return. Offer loyalty cards, for example, wash 5 times and get 1 wash free. This makes people want to come back just to earn the free service. So friends, as you saw, you can start a laundromat business with zero money. All you need is white heavy checkmark smart thinking, white heavy checkmark hard work, white heavy checkmark basic planning, white heavy checkmark good customer service. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Start with what you have. Even if it's small today, it can grow into something big tomorrow. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more videos like this. Take care and keep hustling. See you in the next one.